Welcome to NASAM Academy once again. My name is Sam, and I'm taking you through booting. Now, what if you wake up to one day, your PC or laptop is failing to boot, and then it displays this message? I'm going to show you the shortcut how you can do it, and then you boot it very well. Once it fails, then we are going to go further. So there are two steps. One, the easiest way, every computer, every PC must work. You must know that each brand has its own shortcut for booting. But for Dell laptops, most of the times booting is always F12 for other brands. But now for the Dell laptop, you're going to use F2. Once you click F2, then it's going to display this you're seeing here. You understand? Then once it displays this one, you're going to go to boot sequencing. On your computer, you use this up, down, understand, on the keyboard. But as well, you can use your touchpad, because the touchpad works very well. That's if your touchpad is working. But if it's not working, you can use the up, down, sideways arrows. Then you go down, you go to boot sequencing. You see, the moment you go on boot sequencing, then this side, what you have to do is you have to deselect this diskette, then you deselect the CD, then you leave around internal hard disk. But now the internal hard disk must be the priority number one. Here you're commanding your computer to show that you're commanding it to always boot via this, the internal hard disk. You understand? Then you come down here. It's always in legacy. What you have to do is you put it in UEFI mode. You understand? Once you put it in that, then you come down here. Okay, you come down here, you click on add, apply. You have to apply. Once you apply, then you exit. You understand? You exit. Automatically, your computer will shut down. You understand? But with an intent of restarting itself, it's going to restart there.